Hi everyone, here is RadioLink PIX6 flight controller. Users can use QGroundControl to upgrade ArduPilot firmware or PX4 firmware for PIX6. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce how to upgrade PX4 firmware on PIX6 by using QGroundControl. We need a computer and the RadioLink official site. FC system, PIX6. Here is APM firmware, and here is PX4 firmware. Click it. You can download QGroundControl here, and also the latest PX4 firmware here. And I have already installed QGroundControl on the computer, and also downloaded the latest PX4 firmware on the desktop. Here is the QGroundControl, and also the firmware. Click and open QGroundControl. Click OK. Click the icon of the QGroundControl on the upper left corner. And the vehicle configuration, firmware, and plug in your device via USB to start firmware upgrade. So we need to connect PIX6 to the computer with a Type-C cable. Here the cable, and here the Type-C port of PIX6. Click them. We can see PIX6 is recognized automatically, and this is PX4 firmware, and this is ArduPilot firmware. You can select the model type and the firmware version here. Usually the latest firmware version is recommended and selected automatically. And you can click OK here to upgrade the latest firmware directly. And I'm going to upgrade the PX4 firmware that I have downloaded. Select PX4 firmware and advanced settings. Custom firmware file. OK. And then select the firmware that I have downloaded before. And it is in desktop. Version 1.16. Open. The firmware is flashing, and wait for the progress bar. We can see upgrade complete here, which means firmware flashing is complete. Exit vehicle configuration. Unplug the Type-C cable and plug in the Type-C cable again. And wait. And we can see PIX6 is connected now. Then we can set the parameters on QGroundControl. So that's all about how to upgrade PX4 firmware on PIX6 by using QGroundControl.